Alright, here you go. This is the second part of the thermostat that was taken apart that is not responding, and we fully disassembled from the gut, and this is the inside look of it. As you can see, there's no sign of any kind of anything. So anyway, we took it apart. Let me show you. This, I use a screwdriver before to pry the screen off, but there's also a little white clip going across to keep the display connected functionally. Okay, and over here is your little touchpad connector that's going separately with a display, which it is fully glued in. So that means if this does not work, you can't really do anything. Okay, but I do not believe this is issue, because why would all of a sudden the whole thing went out just like that? So anyway, this is just a front plate. So go into the trash can, and this is the display. We call this back in the day, I think, ink display. But over here is your little connector. So as soon as you rip this apart, this is no good, because it contact with these go points right there. So that's how it's communication right there. See? And so it's very important. You can see. It's very sealed, and yeah. Now this display is garbage, or technically recycled. And here's your motherboard. Nonetheless, a red motherboard. So yeah, that's pretty much it. All the relays, I do not understand any of this. Here's your batteries point, and batteries point. So yeah, that's about it. This is tear down, not a whole lot to it. What's it look like originally, this thing. So yeah, right there. Thanks for watching. About to replace this or throw it away. Peace out.